What is up, guys? My name is Clay Wong and we are back with another crazy video for you guys today. We're going to be heading over to Cambria Bodyworks. I'm actually getting a full restoration done on that EG K20 Civic, so it is going to look absolutely amazing when it's all said and done. So before we did that, I'm over here in St Kilda, and you guys may be wondering why I'm in St Kilda. If you've been staying up to date with my videos last week, I thought it'd be a good idea to conquer my fears by jumping out of a plane. So I've gone ahead and done that, and it was a crazy experience. So if you guys haven't watched that video already, please watch that video over here. I will link it, and it is absolutely insane. If you guys haven't done skydiving before, you have to give it a go. It is a crazy, life-changing experience. Alright guys, so we're going to head over to Cambria Bodyworks right now. My phone is playing up, so it's struggling to load Google Maps, but we're going to go hit that up right now. We are 37 minutes away. Are you joking? 37 minutes? That's so far. You know, I haven't eaten at all today. All I've had is 3 apples, some coconut water, and it is about 2:15, and yeah, it's absolutely crazy. I'm so hungry. Like, come on, please, I need food. As soon as I get to Cambria Bodyworks, I'm gonna go do a little bit of filming. I'm just about to go through a no entry, and I just did. Once I get over to Cambria Bodyworks, I am definitely gonna go buy some food. I'm starving, and this intermittent fasting stuff is absolutely killing me. So intermittent fasting is a great way to actually lose weight, and I've been doing that since I was about 20 years old. And if I ever need to make weight for a specific competition, event, or whatever the case may be, I always preach intermittent fasting. You have an 8-hour eating window. So for me today, my eating window is about 2 to 10 o'clock. So that is my intermittent fast for today. And every time you can just change around. The ideal amount of fasting hours is about 16 hours. This speed hump is so steep. This RS3 has been doing my absolute head in. So you guys may be wondering, what am I doing back in my Audi RS3? Is it fixed yet? And to answer that question, yes, it is fixed. We went from e-tuners. They couldn't diagnose the issue for me, unfortunately, so I had to bring it over to Audi Richmond. And so Audi Richmond have been really nice to me this whole time I've had my car, and they took it in. They diagnosed all the issues with the car, and they've concluded that, according to Audi Richmond, they said that from the pothole, it caused one of the relays to actually fuse up. And so the engine couldn't actually turn over. Despite it being such a huge pothole and what sounded like actual physical damage to my car, there's none at all. And it was just the fuse in the relay that caused it to stop and not allow it to turn over. So my car is still good to go, and it is amazing. It drives like a dream. Ever since I first got it, it's still been pumping out really, really well. And I'm really glad, because this Audi has pretty good reliability for the most part. Like, I've never been, I don't know, stranded on a road, except for maybe that pothole. I'm thinking about getting a new car, guys. I want a new daily, but I don't know if I should keep the Audi RS3. I've honestly considered so many different options. I've been able to review a lot of crazy cars, and I've actually wanted to buy myself. So the BMW M2, M3, and 4, I've always wanted to get into one of those. I've been able to drive them extensively, and I actually really like those cars. But I don't know if I should delve into one of those or to something else. So I really do want to get a new car. I don't know what I'm going to do with my Audi RS3 just yet. It means a lot to me, and I really, really love this thing, but I'm fancying the idea of toying around with getting a new daily and even a weekender as well. So that's up in the works. I'm still gonna have to think long and hard about my decision, but yes, leave a comment below if you guys have a suggestion as to what car I should possibly get next for my new daily. What is up, guys? We're finally here at Cambria Bodyworks, so we're gonna check in on the EG today, and we're gonna see how things are going. It looks like today we're going to be doing all the stripping of the body panels. So we've got to take up all the parts, because right now the car has so many different panels, and you can't paint a car with all these panels on. So we've got to strip it all out, and that's going to get done all today, and I can't wait. So it's going to be a long and tedious process. I'll show you how it's going. So this is Haji over here, and he's going to be helping me out, stripping out all these body panels. As you can see, the lights have come off. We've got a spare parts box here of all the parts that have come off already. The painter Harris and I have discussed what we're going to do with this car. It's got a few things that we need to address, so things such as this This spot here has rusted out on the bonnet, so I've opted to buy a new bonnet for this car, and it's going to look absolutely mint when the new bonnet is on. There's going to be no imperfections at all. I've also decided to shave these badges, so front and rear we're going to get rid of all those badges. I've ordered a new set of headlights. They're going to be glass headlights. This antenna over here, we're going to get this shaved as well. And with the wheels, we're still working out on a set of wheels to go on this car. I've got a few people actually interested in sponsoring this car for wheels and tires, but I'm still deciding which one I want to go with, because I want something that actually looks really good with the car. I'm not just going to get a sponsorship for something that I don't really like. It needs to go with the car, and so we're going to look long and hard for the perfect set of wheels for my Honda EG build. I can't wait to show you guys the process and the build of this Honda EG. So I got my mate Aaron over here. He's trying to figure out his GTX RRR. If you remember, I'll link the video here. I did a crazy review and drive of this car. He's actually gone ahead and done his whole bodywork all here, all the respraying done right here at Cambria Bodyworks. So I know the quality of the work is going to be really, really good here. Just looking at his car alone, I can tell that that's a really good paint job. So what's going to be done to my EG will be of similar quality, if not better, fingers crossed. As you can see right there, that is Mickey's car. How mint is that? Damn, that is one of the cleanest M4s.